Hai, nama saya Krisana Ana Perempuan Chan, nombor metrik 2005. Saya wakil grup untuk present our project. Ya. Subjek DCA 30393 Architecture Structure. Okay, for the introduction, the dry cafeteria in Polimas provide a place for dining or rest in part degraded. The design for the cafe is very common and basic for the user only. The new project was proposed to let Dry Cafe design a new structure improvising the function that responding to structural and environment. The second is size analysis. The design is impressed by the idea of lightweight man-made integrated with space frame to create flexible open space. Our concept is span frame and man-made structure. And then structure understanding. Frame explanation, man-made structure explanation, and load transfer, how fault got down. For the span frame explanation, a span frame is lightweight, rigid 3D structure constructed from interlocking strut in a geometry partner, usually triangle or pyramid. Is excel as spanning large area without intermediate column by distributing load uniformly across all elements in 3 dimensions. Their structures are popular for roof in stadium, exhibition hall, and airport hangar. And then the analysis of engineering technology of the two structure. The main difference are as follow. The force of the space frame structure is relatively balanced, while the pipe truss structure mainly build the external fault between the upper and lower layer. The space frame has greater integrity considering that the space truss need to use intersecting noted the restoration of intersecting line and the bending of rod improve the accuracy requirement, but or in case the workload and extend the construction time accordingly. Man-made structure explanation. Man-made structure architecture utilizes thin feasible material held in tension by made cable or air pressure to create land span, lightweight, and often transcussion structure. Pyramidally used for roof, stadium, and canopies. The structure are designed using unique form finding mode to achieve structure equilibrium. And then key aspects of man-made structure architecture. Material. Common material includes PVC coated polyester, PTFE coated fiberglass, and ETFE full. Known for durability and lightweight property. Structure behavior. Man-made structure build primarily those tension rather than compression. About load transfer, how fault got down. Okay, in simpler explanation, man-made roof, tensiler fabric roof as carry wind and rain. Span frame, 3D frame that speed load. Support column, carry load down. foundation and footing, transfer load to ground. And then root transfer, movement of photo structure, load part, load of fault, gravity load, will of structure, wind load fault from wind, tension pulling fault, main make, and compression, pushing fault, column or frame. Deflation, bending under load. Structural stability, stay strong and balanced. Survivability, work without too much movement. Yeah. Now, construction process. We explored unconventional material for building, construction, and finisher. Our material choice enhance creative expression while ensuring durability. The step 1 is foundation and side spread. Step 2 is steel structure erection. Step 3 is foot tension system. Step 4 is wall and interior. Step 5 is finisher and landscaping. This is our final structure outcome. We design interior space that surprise and delight building occupants. Our creative peer planning exchange user experience towards innovation. Explore isometry of structure system. Have 2 layers. The first layer is the man-made layer and the space frame layer. And then this page will show the support layer. Yeah. And the diagram A push space frame web tension and convention grade network. And then is our teamwork and reflection. And Raiston Budi Anapita, he do the structure on SketchUp and animation on Lumion. Yeah. And then the second one is Krisana Anapampa, is me. I do the report, slide, and some animation. Yeah. And then Sonia, Bakis, and Sofia, they make the model. They take the model. This is our model. And this is our 3D. We integrated cutting edge technology into creative building design. Our structure showcase how innovation action architectural expression. This is front elevation, left elevation, right elevation, and rear elevation. And this is section XX and YY. Conclusion: the integration of the man-made structure with a space frame system create a balanced architectural solution that combines flexibility, lightness, and structural strength. The man-made art as a lightweight, resilient skin that provides shading, weather protection, and organic visual identity, where the space frame serves as a rigid 3-dimensional skeleton that ensures stability and load distribution. By connecting that two systems, the design activates both aesthetic elegance and functional performance. The contrast between the soft flowing movement and the geometry precision of the space frame enhances partner experience, creating a dynamic and visually engaging environment. This hybrid structure approach also supports sustainability as a man-made resolve material used and allows natural lighting penetration, while the space frame enable incident space with minimal structural mess. Overall, the concept demonstration how combining different structure systems can produce an innovative, efficient, and expensive structure form. Thank you.